Hi guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can install Steam app in your mobile. So guys, if you're trying to install Steam app but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So the first step is to find App Store or Play Store if you have an Android, and once you're here, just tap on the search button and type in Steam and tap on search, and the first option that appears that says Steam Mobile is the option that we need. Just go ahead and tap there. So as you can see, I've already downloaded it, but if you have not, instead of the open button, you will see the get or install button. So you just need to tap on it, and in this way, you would successfully be able to install Steam in your mobile. I hope this video was helpful for you. That's how you install Steam app mobile. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.